Hey folks, it's Russ. Today is Tuesday, November 11th, 2025. I hope you're having a great day. Today is more than just about business. It's about respect and gratitude. It's Veterans Day here in the United States. And I just want to give a huge thank you to all the men and women who served and are serving right now this beautiful country that we live in. You know, because if it wasn't for your service and sacrifice, none of us would be able to build our businesses or have any freedom for that matter. But we certainly wouldn't be building our businesses, right? We wouldn't be chasing our dreams if we didn't have freedoms, the freedoms that we do here in the United States. And it got me thinking about how discipline and courage are the same traits that build success in life, in business, in freedom. So you almost have to have the mindset of a soldier when you're going into business, when you want to become an entrepreneur, because there's so much adversity and so many, it's a roller coaster. You never know what's coming. And you have to have that resilience and that warrior type mindset to get through it. So in a lot of ways, businessmen and women are like soldiers. We have almost the same type of mindset. And so I am forever grateful for all of you soldiers out there for giving us the freedoms that allow us to have what we have here in this country and to be able to build what we want to build and to be able to do what we want to do and to be able to have huge goals and to be able to crush them if you're willing to put in the work and sacrifice. There's not many countries out there that allow you to do that. And it's an honor to be in this country and to be able to do just that, to be able to create whatever you want to create if you're willing to show up every day and put in the work. And it's because of the veterans that we get to chase our dreams and to build our empires. So if you're ready to use that same mindset to build freedom for yourself and for your family, you can go to joinruss.com. You can book a one-on-one phone consult with me, and we can start building your empire together. Okay? But thank you again to all the men and women who serve this country and to give us the freedoms that allow us to build empires. I hope you have a great rest of your day. I look forward to seeing you in my next video. And until then, stay well, be safe, and peace be with you. Thanks for watching.